Hi, in this video we will see how we can remove the leading white space in Excel. Here in the Excel sheet we are seeing there are a couple of lines are there. Some of them has one space at the beginning or some of them has many space at the beginning of each line. In this video we will check how we can format this thing. Basically we can remove all the white spaces. It doesn't matter whether it has only one space or multiple space. We will remove the entire white space from the beginning of each sentence or each cell data. So let's get started. At first we need to find out where we can keep the formatted data. For example, we want to keep the formatted data in column C. So we have to select this cell and then after that we have to type on a small formula. The formula in Excel, it starts with a equal sign. So I am going to type a equal sign at the beginning and then after that I have to write on function. The function name is trim. TRIM. If we start typing partial letter, then Excel will automatically show all the formula which starts with TRI, something like that. And from here we have to choose the trim function, and once we move our cursor on top of the trim, then we can press the tab key to complete the function. So the trim function with the parenthesis, it will be appeared on the cell. Now we need to find out from which column basically or which cell this data will be loaded. So we see that for our case A has the data. So basically we need to type the first cell data. So I am going to type A and the first cell is 1. A1, and then I have to close the parentheses. Once I close the parentheses, now it's time to see the action by pressing enter or return key of our keyboard. And once I hit enter and return key, I see all the leading space has gone for this cell data. Basically it removes all white space from this cell. If we want to do the same thing for other cells or other columns, we can do like this way. We can drag till the end of the rows and we will see all the leading white space is gone completely and there is no more white space. And that's it guys. In this way we can easily remove all leading white spaces from any cell data. Thank you guys for watching the video.